Welcome to this Fixit channel, and we are looking at the operating system numbers for the month of July 2018. So as we are in the new month, of course, today is August the 1st. What are the numbers for the operating systems? Well, Android dominating, of course, which is pretty much what we expect. 42.26% of all the operating systems used in the world. Windows 35.9%, iOS is at 12.8, OS 10 5.4, unknown, which could be Linux, some distro of Linux, and some other weird little operating systems for IoT and so on. 1 point or 2% or almost 2%, and Linux at 0.77%. Now, somebody was pointing out, well, Linux is much more popular than that. Keep in mind that these numbers are for all the operating systems. If you take Linux, because if you compare desktop operating systems only, Windows, Mac, and Linux is at about 2%, 2.5%. Has pretty much been, stagnant there. A lot of people are saying, well, with Windows 10, people are moving to Linux, and no, they're not. It's really, there's no move to Linux. We don't even see any changes in stats over there. So Android, of course, dominating at 42.26. Windows second at 35.9. It's interesting to note that just these two together, they're pretty much dominating the planet, and the other operating systems are like really, really far away. It's as simple as that. Android has, on the mobile side, pretty much become the Windows of mobile. It's the dominating source of the operating system, and it shows you that the market today is dominated by mobile devices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.